Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Shopify. This is a fantastic way to organize your products and make navigation easier for your customers, especially when you have multiple items within the same category. First, head over to shopify.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can manage all aspects of your store. Now look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. Click on Content, and directly beneath it, you'll find an option labeled Menus. Go ahead and click on Menus. This section is where you'll control all the navigation menus for your store, including the main menu that appears at the top of your site. Next, you'll see a list of available menus. Click on Main Menu to open it up. This is the primary navigation menu that your customers will use to browse through your store, so it's important to set it up in a way that's intuitive and easy to follow. Once you're inside the main menu, click on Add Menu Item. This will open a new field where you can create a new menu entry. In the label field, type something like T-shirt. This will be the main category name that appears in your menu. Then in the link section, you can link it to products, and from there, select all products. This ensures that when customers click on T-shirt, they'll see all your available products. Once that's done, click the check icon to save this menu item. Now click Add Menu Item again. This time, input a label like black T-shirt. In the link field, select the specific black T-shirt product from your catalog, then click the check icon to confirm. Repeat this process one more time by clicking Add Menu Item. Name this one White T-shirt, link it to the corresponding white T-shirt product, and click the check icon to save it. Here's where the magic happens. To create the drop-down menu, you'll need to drag the black T-shirt and white T-shirt items underneath the T-shirt menu item. Click and hold on the black T-shirt item, drag it just below T-shirt, and shift it slightly to the right. You'll notice it indents, indicating it's now a sub-item. Do the same with white T-shirt. This nesting creates the drop-down effect you're looking for. Once everything is positioned correctly, scroll down and click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This ensures all your changes are stored and applied to your live store. To see your new drop-down menu in action, click the eye icon next to Online Store. This will open a preview of your site. Now hover your mouse over or click on T-shirt in the main menu, and you'll see black T-shirt and white T-shirt appear as drop-down options. You've successfully created a clean, organized drop-down menu that will help your customers navigate your store with ease. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.